What if I told you that your Instagram profile could make women obsessed with you without even sending a DM? Yes, that's right. Today, I'm going to break down a proven Instagram formula that high-status men use to effortlessly attract women without looking needy or desperate. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to create an irresistible profile, post high-value content that sparks curiosity, and slide into DMs with confidence. Stay with me till the end, because I'm revealing 3 powerful DM openers that guarantee a response. Here's the truth. In today's dating world, your Instagram is your real first impression. Women stalk your Instagram before replying to your DMs, or even considering going on a date with you. 90% of women check Instagram before agreeing to meet someone. It's a preview of your lifestyle, status, and personality. High-status profiles naturally attract women without chasing them. Instagram lets you build desire and intrigue without saying a word, but only if you know how to play the game. To make women obsessed with you, your Instagram profile needs to scream high status, fun, and mystery.
Here's how to do it step by step.
Women decide in 3 seconds whether they're interested or not. Your profile pic is everything. DOs, high quality, well-lit photo. Smile confidently, shows warmth and approachability. Showcase a lifestyle shot, travel, hobbies, adventure. Don't. Avoid selfies, gym mirror pics, or group photos where it's unclear who you are. Use a photo that creates intrigue. Women should look at your profile and think, I want to know more about this guy. Your bio should be short, intriguing, and show off your personality. Formula, status indicator, entrepreneur, world traveler, fitness junkie. Add a hook. I turn caffeine into ideas. CTA/invite. DM me if you know the best pizza spot. Example, globetrotter fitness addict building dreams. Pizza lover? Let's settle this over dinner. Your content should showcase an attractive lifestyle and create emotional engagement. Content categories to post, adventure shots, travel, hiking, unique experiences. Social proof, photos with friends, events, parties. Passions and hobbies, fitness, cooking, hobbies. Lifestyle moments, enjoying life, humor, and positivity. Women are attracted to men who live exciting, well-rounded lives. Show, don't tell. Stories are where the real magic happens. This is where you build anticipation and attraction in real time. What to post on stories, behind-the-scenes moments, make her feel part of your world. Engaging polls and questions, build interaction and curiosity. Subtle flexes, showcase status without bragging. Example, poll, who's up for a spontaneous weekend trip? Behind the scenes, late-night brainstorming session fueled by pizza. Use highlights to showcase your best moments so she can binge-watch your life. Here's where most guys mess up, sliding into DMs the wrong way. Mistakes to avoid, boring openers. Hey, or what's up? Compliments on looks. You're so beautiful. Double texting and desperation. The right way, reply to stories. Natural, low-pressure conversation starters. Use humor or curiosity hooks. Wait, is that pizza from Cool Place? Tell me it's good. Give genuine compliments on lifestyle. That hiking trail looks insane. Where was that? Example, haha, I can't believe you actually tried that spicy ramen challenge. How was it? Always end your message with a question to keep her engaged. Once she's engaged in conversation, it's time to smoothly transition from DMs to a real date. 3-step DM closing formula. Find common ground. We should definitely check that place out sometime. Suggest a fun, low-pressure activity. I know the best spot for tacos. Let's grab some. Lock in the date with confidence. Friday at 7? I'll handle the tacos. You bring your sense of adventure. Give her a reason to say yes by making the date feel fun and casual. Overposting selfies looks narcissistic. Posting low-quality content kills attraction. Spamming DMs comes off desperate. Less is more. Build curiosity by giving her a glimpse, not your entire life story. Now you have the ultimate Instagram game plan to make women chase you. Action step 1. Optimize your profile and bio for attraction. Action step 2. Post high-value content that sparks curiosity. Action step 3. Slide into her DMs the right way and smoothly transition to a real date. Comment below. What's the craziest DM you've ever received? Let's laugh about it. Like and subscribe for more high-level dating content that works in the real world.